What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I'm here at KLIENFONTEIN Dam in Benoni. 2 hour that I've got available to come and fish. I just quickly put the boat here. I was actually at Escape Boating redoing the COF, and then I thought I'd just jump on here quickly before going back home. So yeah, see if I can catch anything while I'm here for an hour and a half to 2 hours. And maybe I'll also throw the STB stuff around. I'll post a picture of all the baits that's on here so you guys can see. Not really doing too much of unboxing, as I've already posted what is out on the box, and already a lot of guys have done unboxings this month. But let's see if I can catch anything on the box and give you guys a little bit of content. Let's see if I get any fish. Enjoy. So I haven't been getting anything with that hog, so I'm going down to the small, the missile bait, the baby D-bomb, and I'm going to try that for a little bit, see what happens on Texas rig. So I'm going to try this bait, the paddle tail, the Rage Swimmer, striking on a Texas rig. Let's see if that does anything. The other two baits just haven't got many bites yet. I had a fish. And back on. There we go, finally. Yes, please. There we go. There we go. Finally. Took a while, but was on that Rage tail, about a kilo. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's almost time for me to get off, so yeah, haven't caught with the others, but let's see if I can catch a few more for you guys. So guys, as you saw, wasn't easy. I only got that one fish, and I got near the end I got another bite, but yeah, nothing spectacular. It's a pity. It's can be a lacquer dam. I have caught good fish there before, but it just wasn't meant to be today. Anyways, it is what it is. I will try to do a bit of a STV slam at some point this month and see if I can get that knocked out. But today, like I say, I went to go get my boats, the COF done by Escape Boating in Benoni. They did it for me quick, checked everything, made sure everything was in order, and then while I was there, I shot to the dam, jumped on, had a couple of casts, managed one fish, and that was it. Anywho guys, hope you enjoyed it, but yeah, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, show some support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.